Hello, I'm here today to introduce the Wogaard oil saver. I'm here at a multiple installation site or multiple manufacturing facility in which we have many of the oil savers installed, saving a lot of oil for the customer. The Wogaard oil saver is a unique device that is actually powered by the machine's onboard pumps. By using the onboard pumps, we are taking a small amount of oil to actually power the system. This therefore goes through our unit and creates a sideways suction. The actual unit then has a filtered vacuum cup that sits in the swarf bin with the swarf, where all the neat oil is transferred out from the conveyor. Our unit works when the machine's on, so there's no external power. So as soon as the machine is on, the unit is working, and all the neat oil that is dragged into the swarf bin is therefore dragged up as soon as it is in action. And we're going to see that unit in action now on multiple machines and how it can work for you. Major benefits being oil saving. Oil saving, as we know, is an expensive commodity. We find that we have a lot of people who have to do a lot of handling expense of getting the oil out of the swarf. There's a lot of disposal costs. There's a lot of initial crude oil costs. So the system in this count does this automatically, reclaiming the neat oil back into the machine, therefore saving a lot of money, a lot of manpower, and obviously being very good to the environment. We don't really want to be continuing to chuck oil out of manufacturing facilities, which is very good and usable oil that can be used again.